Homeowners insurance. In order to buy a house with a mortgage, the lender is going to require you to have homeowners insurance. Your homeowners insurance will usually cover the following: dwelling coverage, which is the cost to replace the house or part of the house that gets damaged; loss of use, which is for the reimbursement of hotels or rent in case you cannot live in your home because of the disaster; liability, which is in some cases where someone gets injured on your property and sues you; and personal property, which is if your TV gets damaged because of a water leak on it. Most homeowners policies have a deductible, and the higher the deductible, the cheaper the policy costs. Let's look at an example of filing a claim. Say there's a $4,000 worth of hail damage to your roof, and the $4,000 of repairs qualify under the policy. On top of that, you have a $1,000 deductible. Therefore, the policyholder is responsible for the first $1,000, and the insurance company will pay the remaining $3,000. In addition, you may need to get a rider for specific items such as artwork or jewelry to fully cover the assets, as your regular policy may not cover everything. Look, a rider is an insurance policy provision that adds benefits or amends the terms of the basic insurance policy. Riders provide insured parties with additional coverage options, or they may even restrict or limit coverage. This is a separate policy that costs additional money, and the items being insured usually require an appraisal, so the insurance company knows how much to insure the items for. As for an example, let's say your policy only covers up to $3,000 worth of jewelry, and your wife has a diamond ring of $10,000. You're probably going to have to get a rider on that diamond ring because the value of that diamond ring far exceeds the $3,000 that is covered by your normal policy. Therefore, you should assess whether specific assets with high values need a rider when you get a home insurance policy. And if it's not enough, talk with the broker or the insurance agent to make sure you get the qualifying amount that you need.